Reu Dama wa Dama Mobile Spares. She has finally quit as the JCM matron.
Tukafanya hesabu. Turona gite gia kanitha kinene kineagwo mundu wina indo. Na tukakubaliana tutapatia Dama aongoze church matron wa Women Council all over Kenya.
Dama Mobile Spares majanirie na Bazu kuria kanitha wa AIPCA na hau niho Dama athire na akira Bazu no ende gukorwo aki-advertiserwo wira wake na aheane mitu kanitha-ini. And that is how they started working together. Na Dama akianjia guka kanitha kuria wa AIPCA kuria Bazu akoragwo hindi iyo na magateithania makaheana mitu makatuta mawira ma charity, and they grew to a point where riria Bazu ahingurire kanitha, Dama wa Dama Mobile Spares was one of the founders of that church. Rora tuone noge ukuheo gite kiu mundu wina besha no rito wa muhuko ta Dama wa Dama Mobile Spares.
Hey, Holy J. Subscribe to Holy J. Holy J.
Holy J TV, are you holy?
She was one of the founders, and her input was very big to a point ekirirwo atuike matron, national matron wa kanitha wa JCM Churches International. Ona kanitha ria we US thaici Dama niwe urari matron wa kanitha ucio. Na riria kuragire ngucanio gatagati ka Dama na Bishop Ben na something really went wrong somewhere. Dama wa Mobile Spares ne yumiritie na kuheana go step down the office of the matron. Reda guthomere marua macio marajia na Damaris 10 PO Box Subukia 13th September 2024. Omothe Jesus Christ Compassionate Ministries International Church Leadership Committee Roiro. Dear Church Leadership Committee, reference stepping down from the office of the matron. I hope this finds you well. Please accept this letter as a formal notice of my stepping down from my position as the matron of Jesus Christ Compassion Ministries International, JCM, effective today, the 13th September 2024. I have thoroughly enjoyed my time at JCM and appreciate the valuable experience and opportunities provided during my tenure as the matron of our great church. I have arrived at the decision after a soul searching, and I believe it's the right time to pave way for others to serve in the same capacity. Nionete ni wega ahe andu angi kanya kau ga go serve as the matron of JCM Churches International. Ni undu wa maundu matiganite. Nionete ni wega he mundu ungi nari anyitirire mwaro kuma hau ndiratigite. I appreciate every opportunity that was presented on my line of duty, and I wish to transition out of my current role with immediate effect. Ni aracokia ngatho muno ni maundu macio mothe maratwikire ma kuhanika hindi yo arari matron, na nionete ari wega kuma tha icio aheanire marua maya atige gutwika matron wa kanitha wa JCM Churches International. I am committed to ensuring a seamless transition, and I will be happy to assist in any way necessary to facilitate this process. Nierutire na njira ciothe kuhakikisha ona ni guthi ku hand over all the tools of power in the office of the matron of JCM Churches nigetha maundu macio mathi o wega. Tukirikiria, thank you once again for the opportunity to serve, and I look forward to seeing how the Lord will continue to use this ministry for his glory. Thank you, Damaris Wajiru. Na ni marua ginya assignete. Murari, this is something that is unfolding just a few hours ago. Matron, uria wari matron wa JCM, niki gitumi kia auge ati ni arauma ndarenda gukorwo matron ringi. What do you guys think is the reason why Dama erutite ta matron wa JCM? Niki gitumi kia DAMA gukorwo akiruta ta matron wa kanitha wa JCM? What is the reason? Those are some of the questions. Icio ni imwe cia ciuria iria tubati gukorwo tukiurania thaa ici. She has clarified some of the things, saying that nia played a role nene muno kanitha-ini wa JCM na kuhakikisha kanitha ucio hau ukinyite. Ona kehena input yake. No, all of a sudden, after a scandal that shocked the industry, augite ati she is no longer comfortable being the matron of JCM churches. Mwerari maudu no meguthi na mbere na kuyumiria, and as this was happening kumana crusade nene muno ya JCM church kuria Githunguri, and many people turned up na Bazu akorwo na kihunjio kia mwaki ye kuma mwaki kou andu mahonokire ki riu ta bomb wa andu mahonokire ki riu. And then some hours later the JCM matron quits. Tugukurehera uhoro uyu oguo urathi na mbere na kuirehe, because it's a developing story, and a developing story always has another story to wait for. Who do you think is going to be the next JCM matron? Who do you think is going to replace DAMA mobile spares at JCM as at the office of the matron? Bazu augire gite kia matron kiendaga kuheo mundu wina mbeca. Kwina ga clip kau augire gite kia matron kiendaga kuheo mundu wina mbeca. Koguo riu turora tuone nungi ukuheo gite kiu mundu wina mbeca no ritu wa muhuko ta DAMA wa DAMA mobile spares.
Tukafanya hesabu, turona gite gia kanitha kinene kineagwo mundu wina indo. Nigetha tariu mugithi na mofam ona muhare ni agucoka tajira unegerete jaja gite gia patron muthii kundu kuume ni nyothe muthii na mukiurania ite ici cia kanitha haha mbere ni kwenda mundu wiguite nigetha agacokaga ki muko. And now we decided, the way we have our church patron, national church patron, we will have our national church matron, na tukakubaliana tutapatia DAMA aongoze church matron, aongoze church matron wa women council all over Kenya. Kwa hivyo mkisikia DAMA Kisii mnajua ameenda kazi. Mkisikia DAMA Nakuru anasoma Nakuru hayuko hapa, mnajua. Mkiona Miss Charles hawako na ameenda na akina Kate, mnajua wameenda kazi, na hiyo kazi ni mimi nimefanya nini? Nimewatuma. Ukikutana na gari yetu kwa barabara imeandikwa JCM na uone wamama ndani, usisubuke ati gari ya kina Pastor Frank iko na wamama ndani. Wameenda kufanya nini? Kufanya kazi. Na kuanzia leo hawa wote sasa ninawabadilishia vitambaa. Wakiwa hapa watakuwa wanafunga hii, wakienda ministry watakuwa wanafunga kitambaa cha nani. Ako wapi Lydia? Lydia hiyo hapa very fast.